Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss encapsulation in Java. What is encapsulation? Wrapping up of the data members and member function into a single unit. This process is called the encapsulation. If you want to achieve the encapsulation, then you make the member as private. If you make the member as private, then you are achieving the encapsulation. Let's see practical here. Here I am using the Eclipse as a IDE, and then click on the file, new, and take a Java project. A dialog box will display here simply. And here we need to write the project name, and giving my project name as encapsulation demo, and click on the next. Okay, and it is taking little time. Then click on the finish. Look here, encapsulation demo project displayed under the package explorer, and simply explore it and right click on the SRC. A pop-up menu will display here, and click on the new and take a class. Okay, simply I am giving my class name as employee, and click on the finish. Look here, my employee class is successfully created here. Within employee, I am simply going to create a private member as a name and terminated with semicolon, and just select it and then go to source and generate getter and setter. Okay, and look here, name, get name and set name methods are getter and setter automatic created from here, and the access modifier I am using here the public. You can use according to your need any of the access modifier, and then click on OK. Look here, automatically the getter and setter for the name is created. The name is a private member, and the get name and set name method is public. Look here, this is the set name method and setter. It take the one argument as a name and assign into the name variable, and the get name method simply return the name that is coming from the set name. Okay, and save it. Right click on the SRC, create a new class. Just I am giving my class name as class 1. Check the public static void main method stub, and then click on the finish. Okay, come inside the main method, and just I am going to create the object of the employee class as a emp equal new employee, and with the help of object emp I am calling the set name. It's taking little time because my system is going slow down. Okay, and just I'm going to delete this, passing here the agent. Okay, and using here the system dot out dot println, and here with the help of emp object I am calling the get name method, and save it. Look here, with the set name method we are passing the name as a agent, and look here, this value stored into the name variable and local variable, and this local variable value assigned into the name variable that is private. And with the help of get name we can retrieve the name, as in my case this is Ajay. So Ajay returned from the get name, and that will be print by system.out.println statement. Okay, and save it and run it. Right click and run it. Java application. Okay, launching class 1, 92% completed. Okay, look here, Ajay is printed here onto the console. And you will understand that we cannot directly call the, look here, emp dot name directly. So means we are encapsulated the name variable here, and if anybody want to use this name, then first use the setter method for setting the value of the name, and for retrieving it will use the get name method for retrieving the name. Okay, thank you friend, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.